Hi, and welcome to C3D.io. My name is Khalil Ashante, and I am going to be your guide on this exciting journey into coding. C3D.io is an educational platform that allows you to learn to code using VR, virtual reality. But what is coding anyway? Well, code is the language that we use to talk to computers to tell them what we want them to do. A whole bunch of code on a document is called a script, and every script has a specific job. So get ready to have some fun. Oh, hold on, I almost forgot. We actually have a friend joining us. He's an alien, and his name is Jack. Hi, Jack. Your mission is to help Jack get to his friend's planet. You ready? Let's get started. Before we begin, let's get to know C3D. These are coding blocks. And to build our code, we're going to be dragging and dropping them into this area called the editor. Over here on the right is the VR World Preview window, so you can see exactly what you're creating as you go. First, let's put a spaceship in the VR world. From the menu on the left, click on Object. Take the object block and add it to the editor by clicking it or dragging and dropping it. On the object block, you're going to see Position, Rotation, Scale, and Model. Next to Model, click the little green arrow and select Tutorial. Right now in your editor, you have two blocks and they're connected. One is called Add Object, the other one is called 3D Object. Using your mouse, grab the one on the right and pull it to the right to separate them. Don't pull it too far, just enough to pull them apart. Okay, where is our spaceship? Let's fix that. On the menu on the left, click on Variables. In coding, a variable is the term we use when we want to give a name to something we'd like to work with. On the menu on the left, select Variables and create a new variable and call it Spaceship, all lowercase. Okay, where is our spaceship? Let's fix that. You have three choices. Grab the one on the top that says Set Spaceship To and drag that over to your editor. Now take the 3D Object block and drag it to the left to join it with Set Spaceship. On the menu on the left, click on Variables. The third choice is going to be a block called Spaceship. Grab that block and drag it over to your editor and drop it there. Now take that Spaceship block and drag it to the left so that it's joined with Add Object. Then take your Add Object block, drag it up so that it's connected with Set Spaceship To. Look at that. Now we have a spaceship. Now take a closer look at your VR preview window. You see the spaceship there? There's three axes that we use in coding. They're X, Y, and Z. You've probably heard those letters before, but here's how we use them when we're coding. If you move the spaceship to the left or the right, that's called the X-axis. If you want it to move up or down, that's called the Y-axis. If you want it to move further from you or closer to you, that's called the Z-index. Now, go ahead and change the position of your spaceship by entering three different numbers next to position for X, Y, and Z. Try to keep the numbers below 10 if you can, but enter any number you want and see what happens.